Hello guys, welcome to our PHP tutorial. Full meaning of PHP is precursor hyperprocessor. Precursor hyperprocessor. And PHP is a back-end programming language. Is a server scripting language. Whenever you hear server scripting, we are talking about back-end. Okay, and whenever we're talking about back-end, is a language that interacts with database. When something interacts directly with database, we call it server scripting language. They said it's a powerful tool for making dynamic and interactive web pages. PHP is a widely used, free, and efficient alternative to competitors such as Microsoft's ASP.NET. All right. What we have in PHP is similar to what we have in JavaScript to have comments, data type, string, numbers, maths, if, else statements, loop. Is a programming language. So programming languages usually have these models. Okay, your functions, your array, superglobals, regular expressions. This is typical of any programming languages. Programming languages always have data types, variables. Okay, all right. We'll be going straight into um, how PHP works with database. So we're going to be going into database, MySQL database with PHP. And the first thing we'll talk about is the MySQL database itself. They said with PHP you can connect to and manipulate databases. MySQL is the most popular database system used with PHP. MySQL is a database system used on the web. MySQL is a database system that runs on a server. MySQL is ideal for both small and large applications. MySQL is very fast, reliable, and easy to use. MySQL is a database management software. MySQL uses standard SQL. MySQL compiles on a number of platforms. MySQL is free to download and use. MySQL is developed, distributed, and supported by Oracle Corporation. MySQL is named after co-founder Monty Wydenews's daughter, Mine. The data in a MySQL database are stored in tables. A table is a collection of related data and it consists of columns and rows. Databases are useful for storing information categorically. A company may have a database with the following tables. You can have a database that has employees table, a products table, a customers table, and an others table. So in this database, we have four tables. Now, where does PHP come in to this MySQL database system? How does PHP combine with? When we now add PHP to it, what really happens? They said PHP combined with MySQL are cross-platform. You can develop in Windows and serve on a Unix platform. So you can create your web applications on Windows, serve it on a Linux, create on Linux, serve it on Windows. It's cross-platform. It works on every platform. So in my database management, we use queries to kind of make inquiries into our database. They said a query is a question or a request. We can query a database for specific information and have a record set returned. Look at the following query using standard SQL. Select last name from employees. Remember, you have an employees table. And probably in that employees table, you have columns for maybe first name, last name, age, date of birth, nationality, phone number, and all that. Now we want to select only the last name of all our employees. This is what we are going to do. Select last name from employees. All right. The query above selects all the data in the last name column from the employees table. All right. So you can download MySQL and get it installed, or you can just install one server on your system for MySQL to run. So let's see how we can connect to a database using PHP.